Okay, our tutorial today is on Gale Student Resources in Context. So the first thing you need to do is go to the internet. You can open Safari or Google Chrome or Firefox, whatever you're comfortable with. You'll need to go to www.aurorar8.org and click High School on the left-hand side and Library at the top. This takes you to the Aurora High School Library page. Go ahead and hover on Online Resources and click Links to AHS Catalog and Databases. Then you will see an option for Gale Student Resources. That's the link you want to use. The first thing I want to do, gives me my password information, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this so that I'll have it. So I click on Gale Student Resources. And actually, it's going to go ahead and log me in, probably because I have that password already loaded on my system. Otherwise, you will come up to a screen. It will ask you for that password. You will right-click and copy that into that screen. All right. So this is my Gale Student Resources in Context. The very first thing I will want to do is I want to link this to my Google account. So I'm going to sign in with Google. It may automatically do it for me. It may not. Okay, it did not. So this is the screen you will come up with. And you want to use your aurorar8.org account. It'll have you log in if you're not already logged in. And then it will also ask you, which has already asked me before, if it will allow Gale to use my drive. And I'm going to say yes. So I allow it. Once I am signed in, this particular database has a cool feature in that any research I do from here on out, I can actually download it right onto my drive. So let's say I am doing research on solar eclipses. Am I spelling right? All right. And I'm going to search. All right. This is as if I walked into a library, named Gale, and I asked her to bring me all the information she had on solar eclipse. So she's brought me back a lot of different information. She's brought me back 7 reference books, 4 biographies, some pictures, a primary source. She's brought me back audio, video, and news articles, magazine articles, academic journals, and websites. So I'm going to go ahead. What a lot of these reference books are and biographies, they're actually books that have been digitized and put on here so you can get them digitally. But I am looking for this particular thing. Let's say that I am looking for an article. I'm doing a lot of research on it. Let's say I'm researching the effects of looking at the solar eclipse on your eyes. So I always start my research with academic journals because academic journals are more accurate a lot of times than the other information, because a lot of academic journals are peer reviewed, meaning someone who researches the article is an expert in their field. They research, they write the article, and then someone else who is even more of an expert in the field actually reviews that information and makes sure it's accurate. So I always start with academic journals if I can find the information I need. So I'm going to go there. And I'm just going to start looking through some of the articles. I don't see anything yet that I think I can use for sight. Oh, there's one. How to safely observe the sun with young children. That looks pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. And I'm going to skim through this article. I can also create a folder actually on this and start from there, but I am skimming through, and yes, there are things on there I want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and download to my Google Drive. So I'm going to click download. What the system does, it goes ahead and creates a folder on my Google Drive and dumps that document in there. So I have it on my drive. I don't have to look it up on Gale database anymore. It's on there. It will appear shortly. It does take just a little bit of time for it to do that, but it's a great feature if you're doing research and you're in a hurry and you want to dump all those into your Google Drive and then actually do your research paper later. All right. That's about all that I have to show you. You can do a lot of other things in here. It will also give you citation tools. So if you are doing MLA 8th edition, you can select and you can put that on a Word document, copy and paste it to a Word document, and start your citation page right from here. All right. That's about all I need to show you for now. If you have any more questions on research or how to get here, please do not hesitate to come to the library and ask me. Thank you.